The dental health of primary school children is suffering, according to dentists. Latest figures show over 100,000 children were denied screening dental appointments in the last year. This is half of the number of eligible children, according to the Irish Dental Association. The problem is a lack of dentists in the HSE. An additional 75 dentists are needed to be hired to bring their staffing levels back to what they were pre-pandemic. Since 1994, government policy has suggested that primary school children be seen by a dentist in 2nd, 4th and 6th class. But this is not happening for 1 and 2 children, leaving them at a higher risk of missing out on treatment unless their parents bring them for private care. Screening allows dentists to pick up dental problems before they get worse and educate children on good dental hygiene. Between 2006 and 2022, the number of HSE-employed dentists has fallen by 23%. Fintan Houlihan, Chief Executive of the Irish Dental Association, said it is imperative that the government invest in the public dental service to ensure the viability of the school dental screening scheme, he said. There is huge uncertainty over the service as the government appears to be suggesting that children should be seen by private dentists. For more on this story, visit the Irish Independent website.